Hello, my dear fellow day traders. Welcome to 11th February 2019's pre-open analysis. Today, SGX Nifty is showing 26.5 points down move at the level of 10,920 levels. US markets have done pretty okay for itself. 63 points down on DowJones, 9.8 points up on Nasdaq, and 1.83 points up on S&P. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in red in today's pre-open and open session. The Indian markets have shown a very resilient move from the level of 11,087 levels, where the market had a great resistance. It actually came down a lot from the level of 11,087 to 89 levels, and market saw a great correction after that. There was a huge short happening after that when it reached the level of 11,100, and now the market is hovering around the level of 10,944 levels. Likely that we will open in red in today's pre-open as well, so there will be a gap down opening today as well. There are many of the supports which are actually guarding the market. The resistances we have to watch out for are very low. The first resistance is at the level of 11,000 itself, which is a very strong resistance. 11,036, 11,050 and 11,087 levels are the levels we have to watch out for. If that is barred, the next level would be 11,131 and next 11,150, 11,171 are the levels we have to watch out for. So this fast stochastic and slow stochastic proved itself again that from the level of 91 levels on fast stochastic and slow stochastic we saw a huge downturn. That's almost around the level of 200 points from the top. We have seen the downturn when the fast stochastic and slow stochastic went into the overbought zone. We saw a huge downturn. Let's see what Indian markets may do in today's session. MACD is showing a great positivity. There is a huge momentum is what MACD is denoting. Fast stochastic and slow stochastic both are almost near the overbought zone. It is not over yet is what fast stochastic and slow stochastic is denoting yet. And let's see what Indian markets have to offer as supports now. The first support comes exactly at the level of 10,919 levels, which is a very strong support for the market at the level of 10-day close EMA. There is one more which is guarding the market around the level of 10,900, which is a psychological support, and 10,874 which is a EMA. And there is one more which is guarding the market, which is the 200-day moving average, that is at the level of 10,855. If that is barred, then the next level we have to watch out for is 10,817, and below this 10,944, the first level we can watch out for is 10,936 to 10,926, because it was a all-time high previously, and now this may take a great support at this 10,926 levels. So let's see what Indian markets have to offer in today's session. This is the technical knowledge for today. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. There will be session happening where I will teach you 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis, and this I call it as Nifty Intraday Options Trading Course. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.
And now I know